Hi everyone, it's Jack here at Mainsgill, and we got little Matthew at Mainsgill here as well. So what we're on with today is something a bit different. So yesterday we were on carting bales and we had a bit of a disaster. Well, we had Robinsons here helping, and everything goes to plan when Robinsons are here normally. So what we had was we were carting the bales. Joe was on the Fastrac, so he'd managed to get the Fastrac, and what happened was the oil pipe for the brakes on the trailer carting the bales, it burst. But the problem was the brake pipe goes up the drawbar on the Traffic trailer, so he didn't realise that the brake pipe had burst until it had emptied enough oil out the tractor to fill the drawbar up. So he got it unfastened, he noticed it, unfastened, he didn't say there was a problem with it, so he was like, right, we'll get back, because he was only literally 300 yards from Mainsgill outside. So what he did was he set off again, got on the slightest bit of an incline, and it had a meltdown, the tractor, because it didn't have enough oil in it. So what we had to do was to get it home, because it was literally, if you see here, that's the A66, it was just in front of the shop over there pretty much. That's where it was, and we wanted to get to here, and it was in meltdown. It wouldn't drive because it didn't have hydraulic oil in it. So what we did was we come back to the yard, shot down here quick, and what we had was we had 25 litre drum of the hydraulic oil for it, because we're waiting for some more to come, and we had 25 litre of transmission oil. So it's not what should be in the hydraulics, but to get it off the A66, the main road, and to get it back to here, we had to shove them 2 drums in so we could get back here. But it got it back, we parked it here, and we haven't used it since. But the only problem is we'll have to get it sorted now, because this transmission oil in the hydraulics, it might make the seals go done, so it might wear the seals out. So we need to make sure that we drop this out now. So we're going to drop the oil out, aren't we, Matthew?
Yeah.
We're going to get it dropped out, and then we're going to fill it up back with the proper hydraulic oil, hydraulic 46. We'll fill it up with that. So go on, Matthew, you show them what you're doing. You want to be the mechanic?
Well, just some plug under it and just take it off. So
go on then. So he's going to undo the bolt on the bottom now, the plug.
Let's hope it's the right one.
Hope it's the right one, otherwise we'll have diesel everywhere. And then we've got these tubs here ready to catch it. So there you go, that's right. So you see now it's coming out. And you can see there, it's quite dark, that's because it's got the transmission oil mixed in with it, the darker oil, so it's normally quite a light colour. So it's coming out now. It holds 130 litres in here, so it holds a lot of oil really. So we'll see what we can do. We'll take this out, and then we'll show you putting the other oil back in as well. So we're just draining it out now. So that's the plug there that Matthew's took out, show them that. Yeah. So that's all that goes in the bottom, so that just goes in to hold all the oil in. It's just a plug, that's all it is, to stop the oil from dropping out.
There's a magnet there as well to catch any filings if it starts damaging the inside.
Yeah, so there you go, so there's a little magnet on it, so any filings, if something's whirring and starting to grind down inside, it'll catch them and stop them from going through the system. So it's still going. Don't fill it too full though, Matthew, because you'll end up with it everywhere when you try and drag it out the way. Yeah? It's up to you, Matthew, you're mechanic. I'm just video man on this one. So just put that in out the way a minute. If you drag that out, and we'll put the other tub in. Oh, shove that one in. So we'll get the next one in and we'll drain this out. Yeah, there's a bit of a crack in it, don't fill it all the way to the top. There we go, we're away. So I don't know how much oil's actually in it. I don't know what the minimum is for it to stop working, but that's when it cut out, and then we put about 50 litres in. So there's that plus 50 litres. So when we looked in through the top, see that there is the sight glass, and then up there is where you fill it up. When I've looked in through there with a torch, it's still a long way down yet, so it's a long way off the sight glass anyway. So I wasn't thinking there'd be massive amount in, but it seems to keep going. So that's it, it's empty now. You can see there's just a little trickle coming out now, so we'll leave that drum there to catch that, and then we'll get the drums of oil now and we'll get it filled up in a minute. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of oil come out of it, but never mind, it got us out of a mess. Better than shutting the 66 down. So there we go, we'll get the drums of oil now and get it filled up there. So that's it, it's filled up again now. So we've got a load of drums in, so there's 4 or 5 there, and there's another one, so 6 drums in. Not quite 6 drums to fill it up, so it's full now. That's the sight glass there, so you can see that it's filled up to the right level now. So she's ready to go. So we're actually going mowing off next job, so we'll get the front mower on and the back mower on. So that's that though, so at least she's sorted, ready to go. Thanks for watching, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tell everyone about it, and yeah, there'll be a mowing video to come soon. Good.